Hey everybody, welcome back to another Miata video. Well, I think I've decided to change the wheel color on this for about the third time. I'm kind of over the bronze color on this. I think I'm going to go back to silver for a more classic look, red and silver. And I got some new Mazda decals for the center there. So this is going to be a quick video. I'm going to pop these off, clean them. I got some index cards put around there. I'm going to spray them, let it dry, and then throw them back on. So quick video, but I wanted to show you what I was doing. Stay tuned. All right, I said this is going to be a real quick video. So this is the paint I'm using. I hate this particular spray nozzle. It sucks. Anyone that's used this probably will agree with me, but the titanium silver is the only it's the color that I wanted for these. So anyway, a couple quick coats and on to the next one. All right, two wheels done and drying, and I really like this color. Looks good, just the right amount of metallic in it. Not too silver, not too gray. Got the center caps done. Let these dry for a bit and put them back on the car, then do the other side. I may have to run to the store for another can of paint. Didn't seem like this is going very far, but whatever. So on to the next one. Before I go on, I am going to change the color of these calipers. I painted them blue several years ago when the car was red and the wheels were white. It seemed to make sense then, but now that the wheels are going to be silver again, I think I'm going to go with yellow, the same yellow that I have on some of the stuff under the hood, because I think that'll look best. Do the front and the back. A different day though. Right now I just want to get the wheels done. One more thing for safety Nazis, I just want to make it clear that I just have a jack holding up the center. I'm not under the car. I would never ever support the car if I were under it with just the jack. I've got jack stands and ramps, so just wanted to point that out. Well, that's about all I can do for tonight because there is not going to be enough in there to do two more wheels. This seemed like this was a brand new cam, but it was definitely not full. It seemed like it was only half full. But anyway, I'll have to pick up another one tomorrow, and the store where I bought that is now closed because it's Sunday evening, so no big deal. Let these dry overnight. Compared to the old ones, I like this color. I was just ready for a little change, so who knows? They'll end up keeping it. I can always go back. These wheels and tires owe me nothing, so not a big deal. Anyway, we'll pick it up tomorrow. Stay tuned. All right, it is the next day. The wheels are all painted, and the last thing I have to do is put on these decals that I got. I got these on eBay, and somebody's making these. I can put a link in the description if you're interested. They're actually 4 brake calipers, but I had them make them all four the same size for the wheels. These are exact same ones that I had before, and they kind of fit on the center. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these apart and place all 4 of these, and then this project will be done. All right, all finished. Got all 4 decals on. Pretty happy with the way they look. Gives a nice little finishing touch to an otherwise boring aftermarket wheel. I think this is the 3rd or 4th time I repainted these wheels. Who knows if they'll stay this color, but I like the color for now. It's a little more basic, a little more simple, a little more classic. So I guess that'll do it. One more project on the Miata done. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, catch you on the flip side.